Have you ever wondered how to become more convincing when you present? Well, you'd be surprised how easy it is to get your answer. In this video, I'll show you how to make a persuasive PowerPoint presentation with the help of a few tips. My name is Nathan Umoh, and I have experience creating content for professional slide decks. If you're giving lots of presentations or creating marketing materials, I'll give you the tip of signing up for Envato Elements. You'll get unlimited access to millions of creative assets, including attractive PowerPoint templates with your subscription. With unlimited downloads, simple commercial licensing, and easy cancellation, Envato Elements makes working on your projects easy. Sign up today through the link in the description. And if you want to learn more about presentations, marketing, and other business topics and videos like this one, then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. If we're talking about persuasive PowerPoint tips, we gotta start at the top with your hook. Your hook may only be a line or two, but a strong opener will definitely grab your audience's attention. So, be short, be sweet, and aim to connect with your audience right away. When presenting, you've also got to remember that you need to show your crowd why they should care about your topic. In order to do that, focus your presentation on their desires, wants, and pain points. Being persuasive is about finding the through line between what you have to say and what your audience finds interesting. Storytelling works. Who doesn't love a good story? Integrating one into your presentation can be pretty simple. This can look a few different ways though. You can weave personal anecdotes into your key points. You can also find stories from history or pop culture that back up what you're saying. Storytelling can even be how you order your content in slides. Find what feels right and work with it. What you say to your audience is key from a content perspective, but so is how you show it off. That's why you shouldn't go for a generic, run-of-the-mill PowerPoint presentation. Instead, choose a unique, premium design that fits your topic. Take Whiteboard from Envato Elements as an example. If you're giving an education-based presentation, having the slide deck will complement what you have to say. It's got fonts, colors, and icons that will help immerse your audience. You can find a download link to this template in the description below. There are a lot more tips worth checking out, but we don't have time to cover all of those here. So if you're interested in learning more about this topic, you can read the full article from Envato Tuts Plus instructor Celine, which we've linked in the description below. But don't worry, I'm not going to let you go without giving you a few more words of wisdom. Make sure you practice. Get feedback from someone you know if you can, but if not, you can still practice on your own. It's the best way to feel confident in your material. You should also export your slides to a PDF or JPEG file. That way you can make sure all of your fonts and images look exactly the way you want them to on the day you present. And finally, relax. Keep in mind that you have information that your audience wants to hear. So make sure that you connect with them because they're looking to connect with you and your topic too. You can apply these tips to the thousands of PowerPoint presentation templates from Envato Elements. Choose one like Alika and complement it with stock photos and bold fonts that are also included in your Element subscription. Find the link to sign up in the description below. We've got more free educational videos like this one right here on the Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. You can dive further into the world of PowerPoint and other topics whenever you like. So have fun, good luck, and I'll catch you next time.